Go bitch, go bestie. Can't fuck with these hoes cause they messy. Go bitch, go bestie. Can't fuck with these hoes cause they messy. Go bestie. Then my motherfucking best friend. Best.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing just a light video on how to do your eyebrows. They're not going to be dramatic, it's just going to be real natural. So right now I'm just about to put some Vaseline on my face because it's dry as hell and I don't want my face to be looking like I'm dead. So yeah, put some Vaseline. I feel like this is good for when you're about to apply your makeup, just so your skin won't be dry. So as you can see, my eyebrows not arched, but it's fine, that's okay. I can still get it popping. Now I am going to go in with my dark brown eyeliner pencil. I pick dark brown because it's more natural color for my skin tone. It's different colors out there, so you can pick whichever one you feel free and whatever one you feel comfortable. So now I'm going to go in and basically just outline my eyebrow on the top and the bottom. And you do this just so that your eyebrows can be as even as possible and as natural as possible. And in the midst, oops, I messed up. See, and that's another reason why the Vaseline is just like super good. If you mess up, you can wipe it off. You don't have to scrub it off because the Vaseline is underneath and it helps out a lot. So as you can see, it's coming along. I have outlined the eyebrow. You have to make sure that you kind of like shade it in very lightly, guys. Do not press down hard on the pencil, or don't just like go in really deep. Just do it as soft and natural as possible. And again, this is just the way that I do it. It's a lot of other methods. I am not a professional, but I know how to get my eyebrows on fleek. So at this point, you're probably wondering, why am I bringing the lines out a little bit further into the middle of my face? And that's because my eyebrows are short and I like them to be this way. Don't judge me. This is just how I like it. So as you see, it's coming along. I'm just doing a little bit of shading, and just kind of like making sure that it's lined up good. All right, so now we're gonna take our little brush. I don't know what this brush is called, but it's an angle brush for your eyebrows. That's what I'm gonna call it. So now we're gonna take the angle brush and we're gonna take this concealer. Excuse my palette, I know it looks rough, but it still works, so it is what it is. But we're gonna take this color. I kind of like mixed it. It's like a mocha and like a cocoa color mixed together, just so it can kind of get to my skin color, because I want it to look as natural as possible. So we're gonna go in with the brush and we're gonna go up underneath the brow, and we're gonna try to take the brush in a straight curve angle. Boom. And you're gonna do it a couple of times. Boom. Okay, you can see it already. It's very natural. That's the whole point of this video. You do not have to cake up a lot of stuff to get a cute look. So now you're just gonna blend it in, blend it. Blend. And I'm gonna speed it up. And this video should help you out if you are trying to learn how to do your eyebrows, or if you just need a little bit more assistance. At this point, I'm just cleaning it up, making it a little sharper. And I'm going to do the same thing that I did to this eyebrow to the other side. So I'll be speeding that process up. And I'm just going to take my brush and I am going to brush my eyebrows. You got to brush them. This the part that makes it look natural. Okay, so I am going to do the exact same thing that I did on the other brow to this brow. You're going to start off with my lines and shade it in, and from there, clean it up. So now I'm just going to keep blending my eyebrows and touching them up. If I see something on the other brow, I may touch it up a little bit. But this part is basically it after I use my brush. That's really my last method if I don't see anything else. And I'm just going to buff it out with just a brush and just buff it out, I decided to put a little bit of eyeshadow on my eyes just to make the look pop a little bit more. The eyeshadow color I will be using is like the chocolate brown color, and I'm just going to apply that to both of my eyes and take a little bit of burnt orange and put it at the tip of my eyes just to give it that pop. All right, y'all, now I'm going to be taking this 30-second bonding glue and applying it to my lash, and we're going to put some lashes on, y'all. We're going to put some lashes on. As always, I had to stop using the tweezers for a minute. My finger always works out. That's just me. And how I work is so much better using my fingers. And these lashes are about 2 weeks old, and they still look nice. I take them off every night. So this is the finished look, guys. What do you think? So guys, thanks for watching this video. Make sure that you thumbs up my video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And here are a few pictures of the finishing look. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the video.